Are you constantly battling gas, bloating, constipation, or acidity? Do you feel uneasy after every meal? Doesn't matter how light it is. Today, I'm going to share natural remedies which are effective, safe, and natural to use, which can help you with your poor digestion, chronic constipation, and sluggish bowels. All the solutions you need to know. The most common issues we face is acidity, bloating, gas, constipation, and indigestion. And the most common causes of this is our poor gut flora, our fast eating meals habits, also our irregular meal timings, sedentary lifestyle, low fiber and water intake, but very high stress. Let's first talk about acidity. Here I'm giving you some natural remedies and natural options you can use in case you have acidity. The first natural ingredient is the cumin seeds. How to use it? You have to take 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and boil into 1 cup of water. When it is boiled, just strain it. You have to ingest it little warm only, not too hot, and make sure to ingest or drink it before every meal. This way you will have less acid in your stomach. Second remedy is to have cold milk. Cold milk naturally soothes out the acid in your stomach. Next option is to have a banana. Why? Because banana naturally neutralizes the acid levels. Also, you can have 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. What it does is it calms down the stomach lining. Next, I'm going to give you remedies for people who have severe gas issues or bloating problems. Here, I'm going to give you 3 remedies, one of which you have to use it pre-meals, which means before eating any food. The first remedy is to use half a tablespoon of carom seeds. Carom seeds are known as ajwain, and you have to add around a pinch of black salt in it. Chew it properly, and if you want, you can have a sip of warm water. But after meal, you have to take 2 things. The first one is your fennel seeds. Fennel seeds means soft. Just take 1 tablespoon and eat it with the warm water. Second, you have to use the ginger and make a ginger tea out of it. How to make it? Take a small piece of ginger and boil it into the water, and after every meal, just sip down that ginger tea, but make sure it's not too hot, just a little warm would do. Next remedies are for people who have constipation. I'm going to give you 3 options here. You can start with any one of those. No need to use all 3. First one is your psyllium husk, which is your isabgol. How to utilize it? You have to mix 1 tablespoon of that husk into the warm milk, mix it and drink it at the bedtime. Second option can be to have flax seeds powder. You have to take around 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder, and you have to take it daily. So add into your smoothie or into your porridge, and then you can eat it in that way. The third is to use the Triphala powder, which is very effective for constipation. You have to take 1 tablespoon of Triphala powder. You can have this Triphala powder with the lukewarm water. Just have the powder and then have a lukewarm water over it in the night time. That will give you a better benefit. Now here I'm going to give you my secret digestive booster drinks. The first one is the mint digestive drink. For this, you would need 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, a pinch of black salt, and then mix all this in 1 glass of water and drink it after every meal. The second one is one of my favorite. This is a turmeric gut tonic. How to make it? Take half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 glass of warm water. People who want gut cleaning, they can use my gut cleansing tonic. How to make it? Just take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar ACV, then 1 tablespoon of honey in it, a pinch of cinnamon, and 1 glass of warm water. Mix it very well and have it empty stomach, and make sure to have it 3 to 4 times a week. These all home remedies will work better if you follow my lifestyle tips. The first one of which is to eat your food or chew it very slowly and make sure to chew it properly. Do not lie down straight after your meals. Take a 10-minute walk after every meal. Do deep breathing and yoga daily. Also, sleep on your left side for better digestion. But in case if you are feeling severe abdominal pain or persistent abdominal pain, in case you are having bloody diarrhea, or in case you are having a severe weight loss, anything which is concerning, then do not use these natural remedies, because at that moment going to the doctor would be more helpful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And some of you who are facing these gut issues or digestive problems also suffer from leg swelling. For leg swelling, what you have to do, you have to go and click on this video. I'll see you there. Till then, bye bye.